Ooh. Ooh, fancy. What do you think? No. Okay. We got some new boots. So we need to make sure they fit before the return window runs out. I'm gonna measure them really quick though, because I'm not sure if I even got the right size. Let's see, Midas' front feet and his back feet are two different sizes. I'm gonna measure them last. Look, guys. He's standing. Oh, thank you. Stay. No, Lucci, hold on. You're next. Good now. Yeah, he's like a 2.75 in the front.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. So Midas has two different sizes. His front feet measured larger than his back feet, so we had to do a smaller pair and a bigger pair. But Lucci's feet all measured the same size, so we just got a 4 set. Lucci doesn't have thumbs anymore. Well, not anymore. Lucci doesn't have thumbs, but Midas does. So we got 2 pairs of socks for Midas so that we could double wrap them. One regular size in his size and one size bigger to overlap. So on their instructions it said, let's see, it said try not to laugh when you put them on because they might have anxiety about it already and it might make them feel worse. So we'll see. Thank you. Ooh, what is that? Not for eating. What is that? It's not food. Let's see. What is this? Oh, I don't know. Oh, it feels snug. It's the 2.75.
It's supposed to be snug though. Right?
Is it? I think we tried the 3 on at the store and it was a little bit loose.
There you go.
Oh. And the other thing is that his dew claws, he still has thumbs, and they said you can either use vet wrap and do 1 wrap around, or you can double layer the socks, is what a lot of people do. So I got 1 extra pair of socks to see how he did.
Or did you put it with dew claw in there?
Yeah, it's tucked in. But even if you tuck it in, it'll rub, I think, eventually. So I guess it would make sense to put the Velcro towards the outside, though, right? So they wouldn't rub against each other?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try that. Let's try that. Okay, so here's the 2.5/2.75.
Aren't dogs' feet just made to be outdoors?
Well, you think so, but they were both
Naturally.
limping on the last hike.
Because they're fatties.
Oh yeah, that's the reason that we tried these, because the last hike we went on, they both had trouble. It got really rocky. And by the time we even made it to the top, like they were both limping really bad. And then they had the worst time going back down. I need scissors. It's just a dog. It's nothing scary. Yeah, these feel snug. It's supposed to be all snug. I guess so. It's like really snug. That is
That nice. Oh, you want to lay that?
Well, this is really hard. It takes getting used to. Okay, 1 sock down. Oh, good boy. You think it's too snug?
No.
It's good. Well, it is a lot easier to get on with the sock. Oh, good boy. Okay, 1 down. Is it too tight? Look, feel his nails like way at the front though. Good boy.
Ah, okay.
Good boy. But wait, you get to go next.
Up. You stay.
Good boy.
That's small.
Mm-hmm. What do you think? I guess, wait, hold on. There's gotta be an easier way to do this.
Wait, they're just eating my hair.
You, good boy. Oh, good boy.
Midas, you ready to walk? Let's go.
Good boy. Oh, good boy. Wow, good boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. He's doing pretty good, actually. Hey, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Oh, good job. He doesn't seem to learn that much. Not bad. What do you think? Pretty okay? Oh, good boy. Good boy. Okay, let's try your brothers then. Good boy. It's like right here. So it might get rubbed a little bit. Maybe we would want to double layer his socks or try the vet wrap right on the border of it. Oh, good boy. Okay, let's try Miss Lucci's.
Where? Come here.
Don't worry, you got some too. You're gonna love it. Let's see, yeah, those ears. Hey, not for eating. Not for eating, sir. Okay, boy. No! Thank you. No, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, okay, okay. It's okay.
I don't want to see it. Into the needle. I feel like you guys don't need this, but you know, your mom is very fancy.
They couldn't even walk by the time halfway through the last fight.
The first fight, that's why.
Yeah.
Maybe it's gonna be worse than good because it depends on running on their feet.
Well, that's what the sock's for, supposedly the sock will. I mean, it's just like our shoes, you know? Oh, good boy. Let me see. Actually, that feels pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, Shushi, I'm sorry. I didn't even there.
Yeah.
Oh, good boy. What the heck is this? Look at you, looks so small. Good boys.
Now you got to play basketball.
Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, honey, good boy. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Come here, bud. It's okay. Oh, good boy.
Hi guys. Run to your heart's content.
Go ahead, Richie. Where'd you go?
Let's take a bite.
Oh, good boy. What do you think? Oh my God, they just gave him weapons. Good boy. No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Good boy. Good boy. It's okay. Oh, you're doing great. You're doing great. Well, Midas is in a good mood. It's like, oh, I can run so fast. Oh my God. I guess don't mind them. Okay. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's two. Okay, we're not very good at putting them on yet. Hey, stay here. Hey, Lucci, come. You're gonna get your sock all dirty. Good boy.
I'll get it here.
Oh, Lucci. Oh, thanks, Lucci.
Hold on.
Okay. Got the loose boots put back on. Not sure about on Midas's feet. Because he's rubbing his thumbs, maybe. Oh, God. What do you think, bud? Let's go test out on the gravel. Come on. Let's go up front. Good boy. No, eating it. Oh, good job. Oh, you're getting used to it, huh? Midas. Good boy. Good boy. Well, doing pretty good. Okay, come on, let's go inside. I know, I just. Hey. Mice, come! I don't want him to lose it out in the woods. Oh, God. Yeah. One's gone again. Lucci's are staying on, but not the racehorses. Come on, boys. Let's go look for your stupid boot. Midas. Hi, cutie. You're just doing okay, huh? Hey.
Midas, what are you doing?
He's doing good. Got no thumbs. Don't run like you don't know how to use your legs.
Where'd you go, buddy?
Found the boot. Now we're just trying to find the sock. So, not a great first trial run.
Hey,
Hey! Okay, well,
Midas, come on.
maybe not a great product for Midas since he's a racehorse with giraffe legs. Maybe it's because of his thumbs. Like, you can't really get them tight like a bottleneck like on Lucci's feet. It seems like he kind of likes them though. Yeah. He's being all great. I think they do help. They would help if they would stand on the rocks.
If they made it longer, it would have been better.
You think so?
This looks off.
Yeah. Well, Lucci's aren't. Look at Lucci's. These are good. These are good. These are not super great.
Look,
It's like off.
yeah, look.
Yeah, not great for him. Well, maybe we should take him off before he completely destroys them then.
Can you turn them like this?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'd be like, hey, doesn't fit my dog.
Well, they actually have they have dog suspenders. That's what some other people said they tried too to keep them on. They have like suspenders that go up across their back and clip them to the top of the boots.
No bueno for you, buddy.
Yeah, Lucci's are still. Check Lucci's feet. Are his feet still all the way in?
Yeah.
Yeah, his are good. I think it's just because Midas is very fast.
I mean, his back is a little loose.
A little bit.
Because they push up their back, right?
Well, if we were hiking on a trail, he wouldn't be like barreling back crazy like that. Or, well, Midas would be maybe. You did a good job though, bud. You did really good. Okay. Works for Lucci, does not work for Midas. Well, I just thought for Midas, because he was limping really bad on that rocky trail too. I thought it would be nice to have some for him at least.
I think they were just tired.
No.
But that's just...
Remember Lucci's feet? Lucci had cuts all over his feet. I had
Yeah,
to use
Lucci, yeah.
had the paw suit. But I just thought it would be nice for Midas to be able to keep them in his backpack in case we hit that again, just to put on like when he needed them. I don't know. I don't know. You can keep yours. Yeah. I feel like they helped you. His feet were so bad after that hike. Little baby, huh? Yeah, you got some tender foot. I know. So, they're okay. I mean, I think if we were hiking, Midas wouldn't be running around super crazy like that, maybe.
He does, though.
He still was last time, even on the rocks. Huh? So maybe, like, I wouldn't let him go out of sight with him, but we could put him in his backpack in case we hit rocks like that again. Just in case, like, in his kind of emergency backpack. Might be nice to have. But not great. Like, it could be better if they were longer, like you said, but it's kind of the best option right now that there is for them.
Okay.
I don't know. Okay, you guys want to have dinner? Want to go eat? Let's go eat. Let's be done. You're done.